It seems to me that we need a little zen in the jungle of Forex currency online trading. We especially need it when it comes to one particular skill. It is a skill that is absolutely vital to successful Forex trading, and yet people do not talk about it very much.
The reason for this is that it is something that most of us do not really like to hear about. Just the name puts us off. We associate it with dark, cold schoolrooms from 100 years ago. I will tell you what it is if you promise not to stop reading. Do we have a deal? You will read to the end of this article and I will disclose the secret word to you.
Okay, it's discipline, or more accurately, self-discipline. Now, as I said, we tend to associate those words with old-fashioned educational styles and even punishment. But that is not what it is about. One dictionary definition of discipline is behavior according to established rules. Applying this to the Forex markets, it means trading according to an established system, and not deviating from that system.
In fact, if we want to get around the negative associations of the word, we could describe it instead as being consistent, acting consistently in accordance with the system that you have selected. The opposite of self-discipline is self-indulgence, giving in to every desire without thought for the future. Translated into trading terms, this means acting on your whims, trading on impulse and on feelings. When you do this, you are leaving your profits in the hands of pure chance. In order to be successful at most things in life, you need to act consistently, and it is not always easy. Self-discipline requires saying no to an immediate temptation for the sake of longer-term success or happiness. If we are to reach our goals, future consequences must be more important to us than current satisfaction.
In everyday life terms, this means turning down dessert because you do not want to gain weight, or passing on the illegal parking spot because you do not want your car to be towed. In Forex currency online trading, it means accepting a loss without losing faith in your system.
It means not giving in to the fears that hold you back from making a larger trade when you know it is the right thing to do. It means doing your research instead of believing that the latest great technique is going to work for you just because you want it to.
In short, it means seeing that the emotions which can feel overwhelming at times are not really so important. Strong emotion, whether it is fear, anger, greed, and desire for pleasure, almost always relates to a short-term wish, not a long-term plan. We need to get beyond this to be successful.
Our minds do not have to be ruled by emotion. In fact, the bottom line is that if you allow yourself to be constantly diverted by passing feelings like a sailboat in a hurricane, you will find it hard to earn a living in the Forex market until you learn to see your fears and desires for what they are, just feelings that will pass, no more important than the itch of a flea bite. But if you have trouble with this, do not worry. Help is at hand. Try an automated Forex system. They are as emotionless as Spock and will do all of your Forex currency online trading for you with the discipline of a robot.